Now let us go to the book of John 17. Today we will deal with John 17. The disciples. John 17. Are you in John 17? Jesus was praying for both the disciples and believers. He prayed for both the disciples and believers. Please catch me. The disciples of Jesus Christ, before Jesus left, he prayed for them. And he was not only praying for them. Amen. The disciples at this particular time, if you have heard me well in the past teachings, the disciples at this particular time were not born again. Are we together? They were disciples. They were followers. Say amen. And so they were potential believers. They were followers, but potential believers. So when Jesus is making this prayer and he is praying for them, he is making this prayer on a promissory note. Amen. It is something that sounds as if it has happened, but it has not happened. He is waiting for the time appointed for it to happen. So as we read through these verses, you will understand what I mean by promissory note. Say amen. Verse number 9. Are you there? With a loud voice, everybody. 20. I pray for them. I pray not for the world. Come on, read together. Read. They are thine. Amen. They that you have given me. So he's talking as if these guys are born again already. Okay? Verse number 10, everybody. And all are mine, and thine are mine. And I am glorified in them. Verse number 11, everybody. And now I am no more in the world, but these are in the world, and I come to thee, Holy Father. Keep them through thine own name, those whom thou hast given me, that they may be one as we are one. Verse number 12, everybody. While I was in the world, as if he is not now in the world. Are you understanding that? Are you getting it? As I was with them in the world. Where is Jesus at this particular time? He is still in the world at this particular time. And he's saying as if he's not in the world. So that is why I'm telling you, this prayer was made as a promissory note. It sounds as if it has happened, though it is waiting for a time appointed. Are you understanding that? Say amen. So, verse number 12, everybody. While I was with them in the world, I kept them in my name, in thy name. Those that thou gavest me, I have kept, and none of them is lost, but the son of perdition, that the scripture might be fulfilled. Who is the son of perdition? Judas is the son of perdition. Verse number 13, everybody. And now I come to thee, and these things I speak in the world, that they might have my joy fulfilled in them. Verse number 14, everybody. I have given them thy word, and the world hath hated them, because they are not of the world, even as I am not. Come on, read that statement visually. Because they are not of the world, even as I am not of the world. Praise the name of the living God. This one really blessed you. They are not of the world, because they are not of the world, even as I am not of the world. So the believer will be what Jesus is. If Jesus is not of the world, the believer is not also of the world. Say amen. Whatever Jesus is, that is what the believer will be. Because the believer and the Christ hail from the same place. What that we are from the same place. I am not of the world, they are not of the world. So if Jesus manifested his supernatural life on this domain called world, cosmos, or earth, then exactly that is what the believer will do. Are you listening to me? What Jesus did on earth, that is what the believer will do on earth. Why? Because the believer and Jesus are coming from the same place. Let me say it again. Jesus Christ walked on this earth doing miracles, healing the sick. And so he's saying, I am not of the world. They are not also of the world. So listen, if we are coming from the same place and we will be having the same nature, what I am able to do, they will also do. Are you listening to me? Say amen. So listen, they are not of this world, even as I am not of this world. It means our origin is the same. We have the same origin. Where I am coming from, that is where they are coming from. What I have, that is what they have. What I can do, that is what they can do as well. Why? Because they are coming from the same origin and they have the same nature as I have. Say amen. That is to say, if miracles are happening around my life, Jesus, if miracles are happening around my life, based on where I am coming from and based on what I possess, the same will be their experience. Are you understanding? The same will be their experience. Say amen. Because I possess what they possess.